Gotcha, my beauty. No use struggling and honking like that. I got a family to feed, and you'll make a nice Sunday roast. Now, where did I put my knife? It's colder than the penguin's picnic out here tonight. Dang, must have left it in my car.
Hello, Ducky. I see the mackerming glasses paid off.
You again? How did you find me?
Oh, a little bird told me.
Well, you're too late. I'm going to be eaten by the people.
Oh, such a waste.
And even if you help me, you'd only eat me yourself.
Ew.
Well, you're not going to get me. Oh no, he's coming back.
Now listen here. I think what I have is which you might agree is a very tempting proposition, which might just satisfy both.
Well, I don't like oranges, if that's part of your plan.
Now listen, I'll get you out, and we'll go back to the farmyard where you can see your mother again for one last time.
Either way, I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Now, make up your mind.
All right. Get me out of here.
Okay, nice choice. And remember, no funny business. At least you get to see your mother again. Come on.